la télécommunication de l'information est un outil qui va permettre à la jeunesse de vivre un autre niveau, une autre étape de leur vie.
The main challenge, the first one is the human resources. It's hard to find talents, especially if you are a small company. If you are starting, you have a startup, it's not easy to find great talent. Because great talents are rare, and when you find them, they are working with big companies and you can't be able to pay them what they want.
Obviously, the main challenge in Côte d'Ivoire and I think in Africa is education. Whatever that can happen, whichever event can happen, if people are not educated, if they don't know how to think entrepreneurial, if they don't know how to take all the barriers as opportunities, they won't create big things.
To create capacity, skills, right from school level all the way to university. The whole idea to supply industry with appropriate ICT skills that the most demanding technology companies require. By so doing, we hope that big companies will come and set up in Kenya and create employment opportunities, but also tap into the talent of the Kenyan youth, which is the biggest asset that we have as a country.
In Cape Verde, we have the challenge that the price of internet is still very high. We have some troubles with the connections, but in general we have good condition and good infrastructures. So I think that in a few years we will be very good positioned.
The main challenge at the moment is to have strong partnerships with international institutions and also national one. Even if we have already some good partners in the private and public sector, but I think this is something we need to work on in the future.
The other challenge remains access to market. In other words, the companies, the small companies that are incubated on the park want to have businesses, they want to have access to markets. And what I think we're trying to do is to encourage our own government to provide business opportunities for our own small companies.
Yo creo que la fractura digital, yo creo que el acceso a device, teléfono, el acceso a internet, el acceso a contenido, realmente son los retos que hay que ver de cerca ahora en África para que justamente el impacto sea inclusivo, que el impacto sea social y que este impacto va a generar riqueza, pero también tiene que generar valor para que todo el mundo pueda desarrollarse dentro de un ámbito colectivo.
As hubs, one of the biggest challenges that you're going to face is sustainability. An easier way around sustainability is just to go commercial. But the risk with being a purely commercial entity is that you lose the community aspect to it, which is almost your entire identity. So one of the biggest challenges that we've always faced as iHub is striking that balance between what we do for commercial reasons and what we do to help the entire ecosystem in general.